This is a $17,000 pressure washing job. Let's get into it.
Buy that paper. Buy that paper. Buy that paper. Buy that paper. Yeah. True man, I'm free. I wake up a new episode. I pop out cleaners, keep me up a level though. She talk to me like I'm not me. I get it though. Yeah. I'm so eclectic. On me to the credits roll. Talk down.
So it's about 10 o'clock right now. We're in the midst of a building wash. We got the staff director, Paul, right here. David's up. Let me give you a shot. Just how to move it so I can get closer. Paul, what are we doing here? Yeah, talk to me.
Doing a little building wash, man.
Building wash? What's going on right here?
Coming in, rinsing everything ahead of time, pre-wedding. Coming back in, applying a soft wash mix to all the stucco, brick, organic roof. Allowing it a little dwell time. Rinsing the windows in clean water. Coming back and then rinsing the whole surface down.
Beaver nuggets are about.
Check them out.
You gotta check them out.
7-Eleven.
You gotta check them out.
I've been pacing my paces, no kamikaze. I've been making my makers say what I'm offering. We've all had behaviors and they were troubling. Smoke way too much, I keep coughing. I pull out all the stops to make a profit. When I get down to the bottom, I need topping. Come here and ease my mind, be my clonopin. Let me chug this thing and be proud of it. I will carve it in and I'll make you feel like you're on a cloud. And you can't sit still when we on the floor. When I'm on them fours, when you use the force, there's no problem. I will carve it in and I'll make you feel like you're on a cloud. And you can't sit still when we on the floor. When I'm on them fours, when you use the force, there's no problem. Fill me up like a Reese's. When I'm with you, I'm holier than Jesus. Religious freedom, paid leave to get on my knees and pray to you if you're cool with cosplaying teacher. I don't mean to come across facetious, but it's all a joke to me and it should be to all of these. Sometimes
Night one is complete. Paul, how do you feel?
I feel great, baby.
David, how you feel?
Can't complain, man. Night one complete.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. That's what we're talking about. Got that whole building done. It's looking great. I'm excited to show y'all this final product. But got the trailer booked. I'm draining my stuff right there. Hey,
You know how it is, man. You know what we do. You know what I'm saying? 3 a.m. We're still gonna get it done. Day one, building done.
yeah.
You know what I'm saying? We get it done, man. That's what we do.
That's what I'm talking about.
You want some beaver nuggets?
Dude, yeah, most definitely.
It's raining, it's pouring, but we're gonna still get after it today, so let's get it. So we're stopping in, it's obviously raining outside. So this is our dinner of choice. Jason's Deli, pretty good.
We did that when I was up there too, so like, sometimes it works, sometimes it won't.
Yeah, I know. You guys can see the clean side, but the dirty side, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, she's getting up tall. All right, David, what's going on right here?
Lightning started moving through. We were killing this side of the building over there, but did you see that?
Yeah, I hope.
Yeah, dude. The last thing we want is to be up there and getting shocked in this stance.
Yeah, we'll wait it out. You know what I'm saying? We don't want to get fried. He's got antennas on his head.
Antennas? Hey, y'all see that? Antennas. He calls the dreads antennas.
I don't know what we should do here, but we just got to wait it out. So we're going to be here till 5. Sucks. It's part of it. But I hope you guys are enjoying the dock thus far. Peace. The boom was not working, so we're just getting the second levels. So hopefully it makes the process a lot easier for day 3. We're just soft washing it with our pump. You can see David just applying it. So it's right here.
Me actually feel like a smooth criminal.
See the contrast between dirty and clean, guys? That's what we're cleaning today. This is night 3, and we actually had to get another boom lift because the other one was just clunky as hell.
Want me to control you, David, so you can just keep spraying?
Guys, I'm tired of shit. Tired of shit. Let me show you what we got. What do you think about the project, bro?
Man, it was good work, bro. Blessed to have it. Blessed that we got it done. It is 5:55 on the dot. 6 o'clock, bro. It's a grind, man. It's a grind. Colleen is pressure washing, man. We do this stuff. We get this done.
Yes, sir.
We get this done.
I appreciate you, G.
Yes, sir. I appreciate you, bro.
Get
I
out
see
there,
you get
bro.
you on to the next job.
Yeah, on to the next one. All right, fam.
All right, get it.
All right, if y'all can hear me, we got the job done. 3 days. We're gonna go back there tomorrow to do some, just like little touch-ups, but 3 days. 3 days, is that not crazy? We're at Home Depot right now. I've got the little like boom lift behind me, but David killed it. You know, all of the guys killed it. I'm super proud about them. We put like just a bunch of systems into place. Efficiency is the most important part about all of this. So it was like a multitude of like trucks, as you saw, but just the systems in place. That's the best. That's the best thing you can do in a job at this size. So you just got to put systems and put people in strengths of what they can do. David was obviously great at aerial stuff, so we allocated him towards that specific part of the project, because not everyone can do it. It's pretty special. It's 6:21. You know, I'm just gonna stay up all night.
Here's what I found.
I'm just gonna stay up all night, guys. Smash the subscribe button. And I'm just tired, man. I'm tired. I need some sleep. I need some sleep, man. I need some sleep.
Buy that paper. Buy that paper. Buy that paper. Buy that paper. Yeah. True man, I'm free. I wake up a new episode. I pop out cleaners, keep me up a level though. She talk to me like I'm not me. I get it though. Yeah. I'm so eclectic, on me to the credits roll. Talk down to me, they might have to send medical. I'm out the league, I'm OD, they pathetic though. Look how I move, I'm protected. Shawty so swoon in my presence. The world going through it outside, they unruly, but I keep it cool, they can't press me. I keep it pure with intention. They see what I'm on, ain't no vixen. I might slide through with that top down. I keep it tuned with a high power. Put it on me, I'm blessed. Blessed. Big bag, manifest the sky, no stress. Keep no evil around me, can't ground me. I built it since when I had less. No hex on, God can't pause. Look at how far we progress. Whatever we doing, we keeping it fluid. I don't see a threat. Buy that paper. Buy that paper. Buy that paper. Buy that paper. Hop on a jet, had to switch to the coast. One of a kind, I've been playing that role. They pay me to play me.